It's finally time for some fall cleaning. So look how cute my cup is from Walmart, y'all. So this video is gonna be very aesthetic, no talking, some cute little fall music in the background. We're going to clean my house, organize, straighten, very aesthetic. I've been loving these videos on TikTok and YouTube lately. So while you're cleaning, cut this video on and we're about to get into it. My house is not very nasty, but I'm gonna show you how it is for real. I'm gonna show you. And I just need to clean and organize like my coffee bar, my counters, my bathrooms, my bedroom. And I'm gonna just show little cute things throughout the video. And if you wanna know where I got some things, comment down and let me know and I'll respond ASAP and let you know where I got it from. So without further ado, let's clean. I think my last cleaning video was literally a year ago, like the other day. So let's go really quick. How cute is my Scrub Daddy pumpkin? So cute. And this is gonna be the cleaner I'm gonna use to clean my counters with in the bathroom. It's really good. I'm running through it pretty fast. This is her. Let's go. We ended in the beauty room. I did a video literally yesterday or 2 days ago, and I'm still trying to decorate it, and I want to decorate it for the fall season. But literally when Halloween's over, I'm putting up my Christmas tree. You know, I'm doing Vlogmas early, so yeah, don't miss that. I am doing Vlogmas this year, so get ready. And I want to say thank you for watching this little bitty video. More vlogs, well, more fall vlogs coming soon. I have a cozy fall lookbook coming soon, a cozy fall more shopping for decor coming soon, some fall little sweets baking coming soon, so stay tuned, and I love you guys.